How we doing? How we doing, boys? Okay. Why are you here first? Who invited you? What the hell? Almost like you were waiting for me. Almost like you were waiting for me. Anyway, how you doing, buddy? How you doing? Hello, everyone. Yes. Finally, the behind the scenes content that you've all been requesting. Hello, everyone. Got an email? Jesus, how old are you? How you doing? Hello, Cherry. Hello, Zuen. Hello, Tacos. Hello, Long, Panda, Havana, Sea Boy. How you all doing? Welcome to the boring stream. Welcome to the behind the scenes looks at Actually, this isn't even my program. This is my my other game. Actually, there was something I wanted to work on first. Ooh, what do I do first? And Leaf has actually just reminded me about what I wanted to do. Remind me to remove email notifications. And who checks them anyway? Hello, Tantawell. Yeah. You love how I say tacos. Is it taco? What's the correct way of saying it? I wouldn't bother redeeming anything. Nothing's gonna trigger unless I. You know, Leaf has just kind of reminded me that I All right, I might do that first. Actually, we'll come back to Rngg. I'll work on that in a bit. No, that's not it. That. Yeah, this. There. Because I want to add a way to put people on a watch list. That makes sense. Specifically Leaf. I don't know what to call it. Maybe the training wheels. You know, or jail. I want a feature that kind of like how Twitch monitors users. That I can whack a person on a list, and then if they spam caps or if they spam just in general, I can put them on like a 5-second or one message every 5-second list, stuff like that. So see, look, Leaf demonstrating perfectly now. He doesn't know how to take his finger off the shift key, so this will help him. And if he breaks it, then it times him out for like 5 seconds. And eventually he'll learn. You know, maybe, hopefully, we'll see. We'll see if he has the ability to learn. But that's the plan. Well, the first thing I want to do, and then work on Rngg a bit. Hello, Gordon Mask. How you doing? So well, yeah, 5 seconds. I can change it. I'll make it an option to change. But I think that's the first one we're going to make. It's going to be long because it's UI stuff. UI stuff's always long. What is it, Doatom? You say something stupid, I swear to God. But at least you have enough ends. I'll give you credit. You're going to lose like 50% of your viewer actions. I mean, honestly, you're the only one that spams caps. Plus, it's only people that I add to the list. It's not for like everyone. It's just for certain people. Oh no, the stream, exactly. It's the best stream. The boring stream. And as if to prove my point, more caps. You need to take that finger, bro, off the shift key. You do that by raising your pinky. Not too hard. Not too hard. Hello, Scara. You made it. You made it. You want TikTok? Yeah, no. I'm not adding that to this as well. No, you're just gonna have to Okay, Avian, you know that doesn't work. Why are you? He's lost the plot. What the fuck's going on here? All right. Oh, I was meant to put cosmetics. I actually haven't opened this program in like 2 days. I don't care. Well, good. I mean, you're getting refunded in the end eventually anyway, so. All right. Let's do this. So, what do we want? I guess this is a Twitch thing. What do we call it? Monitor? Twitch monitor? Twitch monitor sounds alright. Twitch monitor. Right. Do that. Drink to be fancy when drinking a cup of tea, not using the shift key. Well, you can do both. You've got two hands. One can do one and the other can do the other. Hello, Tony. Spicy says hi. Well, tell Spicy I say hi. Right back at her. We're doing, yeah, boring stuff today, boys. Boring stuff today. Unless you like coding, in which case, fun stuff. Also, I don't know why I should move chat. I feel like it should be over to the right. No. About it. That'll do. You said yay. Well, tell her I also rebuttal with yay. Yays all round. Alright, so, what are we going to need? System just serializable. We want a class. I would use a struct, but I don't really know how to use structs. They never seem to work. Twitch. Monitor user. Username. Right. What else? Bool. Caps lock. What other things do we want to monitor? now everyone's saying hi to Spicy. Love it. That should be over your webcam. I don't have a webcam. Unless you're talking about my face. I mean, there you go. Is that what you wanted? Less of me. As we program, I will make bypasses. Go ahead, mate. Go ahead. Do your best. Do your best. Yes, it's a dev stream today, Tanner. Dev stream. Fun stream. So if any of you are about to go to sleep and are having trouble sleeping, the stream will it will send you straight to sleep. You know. I do my job well. I think I've made a bypass for the chat limit in the works. So you're gonna spam the shit out of my chat. God damn it. I mean, I guess that'll work. There is a limit on like the rate. Can't go too fast. I love sleepy streams. And best of all, we got the Little Big Planet playlist on. I don't know what song this is. I remember this from Little Big Planet. But anyway, what do we want to monitor? So caps lock, public bool, spamming. Well, actually, no, we probably not even bool. We'll just save because otherwise we'll have to make like the rate. We'll just set this to float. So 0 means we're not monitoring. Anything above 0 means if they send a message more than once within that time frame, then they get timed out. But then we also need the punishment. Right. Float timeout. That's how long they get timed out for. That'll be a variable. What else do we want to monitor? What else do we want to monitor? If I don't use caps, you don't see my messages. I do. I see them. Can't moving that fast. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because 90% of the shit you say is dumb. I think I say it so that if the message contains more than like 90% capitals, then yeah, then it's triggered. Oh no, more than 10%. No. Yeah, no. Yeah, more than 10% capitals, then it times you out. What are you what? What are you talking about? Making just a Twitch specific bot command. No, it's going to be a little UI thing. I mean, I could make it a command. Command would actually be easier. That would save me having to make all the UI, but it might get a bit complicated, sort of like telling who's been monitored, who's not. Probably, I don't know. It's probably better to do UI. But then for mods, it would be a lot better because then they could do it for me. Maybe I'll do both. I'll make a command for it and UI. What's going on over here? Nothing. Just misbehaving. Everybody have a great rest of your day / night. Have a fun rest of the stream. And he's gone. I've already sent him to sleep. Shit. I'm too good at my job. Gonna be lucky. Have fun with your code steps. Oh, I shall. Well, honestly, I don't know. I never get any work done. Never. Whenever I do these development streams, which is why they're so rare. But I thought, I might as well today because I've been working on my other games so much that I've barely added anything new. So I was like, I can't go. Can't go live. I've got nothing new to show. So I might as well. Look at this. I've only done this much, and I've been here, what? 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's knuckle down, boys. Knuckle down. What do we do? Integrate with the suspicious user setting in the mod viewer. I don't know if it has that. I've never really checked. I don't know where I'd even look. See if it has like that stuff. I don't know. On receive. This one. What kind of info do we have? Args dot chat message dot. This is the stuff we have. Is there anything about monitoring? Nothing obvious. Message. That's just a string. Chat badge. Could be like a badge. No, not by the looks of it. Unless there's like a whole separate thing for that. Whole separate event. Monitor. Well, I can't find anything to do that, so yeah, I probably can't integrate with that. It's fine. This will just be like the same thing, but more customizable. Does the TikTok routine work? No, it's only through, not even shaken, through the main application, which still doesn't have a name. I guess it's just Industry Season 2. But yeah, no, it's only when that's open, and that is currently not open because my computer would probably die. And it's also crashed before when I've had both open, like the editor and the game. All right, let's see. So, I'm gonna need first of all, it's so hard to type when you can't see your keyboard. All right, I'm gonna have to move my microphone so I can see my keyboard and the screen and talk at the same time. Oh god, this is long. All right, it's about there. Do. All right. Private TMP input field. We want the name. Input. Right. I'm asleep earlier than my bedtime. Y'all take care. See you to Genie. Are you aware that your Twitch chat is on top of your PNG? Oh yeah. No, they told me to do it. Public void add user. At the end of this. Public? Probably want a dictionary that has better than searching a list. Oh god, who's monitoring Leaf? They told me to do it. Yeah. Yeah, you just set them so you can see sort of what we're talking about. Yeah. Yeah, no. No way I can find to integrate with that. But I'll just make my own command. It's fine. Yeah, no, we've already marked people as suspicious before. Don't worry. I think we did that with Heyu at one point. His messages were getting a bit, borderline. Well, they were just Heyu messages. Yes. Chuck away all your points. Give them to me. And straight into the bin they go. Yeah, so exactly. But we don't have to monitor them anymore now that when I get the system set up. So we might want to make we'll make it private. This will be the username, and this will be Twitch monitor user. Look up. Oh no, just users. We want to load users. Save users like so. We just want to make sure if we're not live, don't save it just to avoid if we're testing and it corrupts by accident. Load users here. Save users here. Alright, and we need the key. Monitored users. Go. Users.clear for each list string. Oh no, list of a list of strings. Line in save.load CSV resource dot I guess live path key. Right. Oh no, right. Yep, just one. Does nobody here trust me? I mean, trust you as far as I can throw you. My microphone a bit loud. It seems a bit loud. Peeking into the yellow, which not good. You're just a known problematic user / viewer. So public bool is that valid? I want this. False. Public Twitch monitor user list string. This is line. Public list string serialize. List string data to add username caps lock string spamming string timeout string. Cool, there we go. And then data. And here, if line.count is greater than 0. Actually, no, we don't need is valid. Actually, no, yeah, we do. We want it here. Just the bare minimum is that they have a username. If it's an empty line, then it'll be invalid. Username equals line 0, and no, we don't need to make that to upper. If line.count is greater than 1 and bool.trypass line 1 out bool caps lock true. Caps lock equals caps lock. Go. Serializing all this shit. Bub. Go. I'm just in work mode. I can't see anything in the chat at the moment. Caps lock. Timeout. Spamming equals spamming. Timeout equals timeout. There you go. So that should deserialize nicely. What'd I miss? I was like a 5-year-old 3 years ago. You mean 3 minutes ago? No one wanted to know me during lockdown. Yeah, I can believe that. I see that happening, yeah. Oh, God. What are you guys talking about? God. I think TikTok mode should be redeemed. Oh, yeah, well. I might need to put a disclaimer in the stream title. Behind the scenes, warning, very boring. There you go. Disclaimer updated. What? Let's just make this general. Bro, I am reading chat. What do you mean? Bro, crazy. Twitch monitor user that equals new user. There you go. If user.is valid equals true. String key equals user. Username.toUp. if users dot contains key false, users dot add key user. Otherwise, duplicate monitored the key. There you go. That'll load them all, and then when we want to save them, list a string CSV equals new thing for each which monitor user. Oh no, it's a key value pair. String in users list string data equals user value dot serialize csv dot add data save csv resource dot live path the key with the csv, and we override if it already exists. There you go. Saving and loading done. Who's on the couch next to me? She has hit me. Hello, Spicy. Still big brain stuff? Honestly, no. No, not big brain at all. But that's the funny thing. It looks big brain. But it's very, very easy. You can probably understand it, you know. This is in such plain English. That's why I love C#. You know. Go through everything in this CSV, which is just an Excel, you know, spreadsheet. Get this thing, and it's like, oh, if the data is, you know, valid, not corrupted or anything, then it adds it to the thing, to the dictionary. Just a little lookup table. Very easy. Hacker man. I mean, yeah, of course I'm gonna guess. That's domestic abuse. Jesus. All right. So then here. Public static bool is monitored. So this is just if we check if this user is monitored, and if so, we return the user. If users.contains username.to upper, because they're all in 2 upper, just to make sure it's not case sensitive, in case I don't know, they change a name. I don't know. True. And true. User equals users. Not gonna. CBA and false otherwise. So this is just how we check. So when someone sends a message, you know, we'll check, see if they're monitored. If they are, then we're gonna need it as well. Private float. So we need like a spam timer. Right, public void on fixed updates. This will be called on every fix update. If spam timer is greater than 0. Spam timer minus time dot fix time. That way it counts down, and then here public void trigger spam timer. Spam timer equals spamming. There you go. What is going on? What is going on? Putting us out of a job. Well, I'm unemployed, so there's nothing to worry about there. I don't want a job. I don't want a job. Here, fixed update. For each key value pair of string and Twitch monitor user pair in users pair dot value dot on fixed update. Go private void on Twitch message. So when we get a Twitch message, so we'll just subscribe it real quick. Guys, every time you guys send a message, this little method's called, and then if has or is monitored message dot user dot name equals Oh, and we need now Twitch monitor user. So if this person has sent a message and they're being monitored, and I also need to make this public. Such good coding conventions. Capitals for publics. I'll keep this separate because it's not going to be saved. All serious stuff we save. This is just stuff we use during the stream. And user.spam timer. So if they send a message, or if they're being monitored and they've sent this message, and yeah, and if the spam timer hasn't, reset yet, means they've sent a message not that long ago, then Twitch .timeout message .user .name for user .timeout duration reason spamming. It does have to be an int. Okay. Oh fuck! Not spam that one. There you go. Nice. Cool. I think. Yeah. There you go. So, if Leaf decides to send a message too quickly, then yeah. Oh, and we also need to trigger. Okay, wait here. We also need to do it if it's fine. So if it's fine, then we start it. User.trigger spawn spam timer. All right, now we can actually test this. This should work. Although I'm going to have to manually put in Leaf. And also I need, oh god. Public Twitch, monitor user. Username equals username. So let's see, caps lock. All of them off by default. Timeout equals 5 seconds. But to begin with, we're going to set spamming. If you send more than one message within 10 seconds, somebody's going to have to be a brave volunteer and take one for the team. It can be a test dummy. Very good. All right, so let's get under here. Users.add. So let's see, Dr. Leaf. New thing. Dr. Leaf. All right, so then, yeah, you should. Oh, we also need to make sure we're actually checking for spamming. And user.spam. Right. Greater than 0. Because if that's 0, we don't really care. They're not being monitored for spamming. Oh. Let's see if that works. That goes silent as soon as I say that. Yeah. Don't worry. You're the only one on that list so far. So far. All right. You ready? Just put this on a thing. Like there. We'll do all that stuff later. All right. I'm trying to account for stream delay. I see. Well, just keep sending messages. We'll see if you get timed out. Crossing my fingers. But don't get yourself Twitch timed out. Wait till the thing's up and running first. Wait, there's no rush yet. There's no rush yet. Program isn't even this can take like a minute on the first time, which is annoying. See, this I hate this. This is why I like working on my new project. Because the compilation time is so much faster. You can stop spamming now. It hasn't even started. How long is the delay? It's not set to anything. I haven't delayed my stream, so you ain't getting it. I don't know, fairly quickly. That's shit internet, bud. Shit internet. It's not what. Oh, what? The timeout itself is 5 seconds. Currently 5 seconds. And you have to send more than one message in 10 seconds. Oh, it's open. Okay. Let's just go here. Oh, POV. Okay. For some reason you have to do that. All right, cool. That's not my POV. What? Oh, I got tab out. Ugh, I hate that. I hate that I have to tab out sometimes. It's so weird. Oh yeah, I was playing around with green screen. Because look, I can turn off post processing for that. Okay, I'll keep that on. So, well, I need to reconnect first, so hold up. And let's just go to thingy mode. Alright, if I connect, give it a sec. Just needs to connect to Twitch. But Leaf should be timed out pretty much instantaneously. The keeps it going. Although it's taken a while to connect, it does this sometimes. Terrible Twitch. Okay. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Just tell me when it's ready. How about you wait until you see it's ready and then you just do it? You don't need to account for stream delay. Just wait until you see it, because then you'll know by definite it's up and running. Okay, yeah. Twitch is not happy today. I don't know why. Alright, I'm just going to stop it. You don't tell Leaf to wait. Well, I just did. What are you going to do about it? Alright, take 2. Hopefully this one doesn't take nearly as long. There you go, much faster. POV. Hopefully it connects this time. Okay, there we go. Now we're connected. Very nice. Where's chat? Okay, this is working. You're about to get the sus user tag back there. Alright, I got it. Alright, now try it, Leaf. Hopefully it gets timed out if he sends more than 2 messages within 10 seconds. Alright, it's 1, 2. It didn't work. Why didn't it work? Why won't you work? We get the message. Oh, oops. Needs to be uppercase. I forgot. Oopsie. That needs to be uppercase. Let me just make sure everything else is fine. This will work, right? If users contains... Yep. That equals that. Yeah, okay. And okay, now it should work. And hopefully you're in it. I should also double check that you're in the list. There's no way you can't be. Alright. Take 2. Hello, Dharma. Came for the silly little games, but I'm staying because I love coding, even though the only coding I know is a 1 and a 0. Yeah, it's more than I know. Because like this is baby code compared to like, you know, real coding, Python and all that, C++. Yeah. I hate all that stuff. I hate overly complicated stuff. Things that are hard to read, you know. All right, reload. Is that working? Okay, there's 1. Fuck. Why is this not working? Spam time is greater than 0. Well, time to debug. So first of all, debug.log spam time, and just make sure this is him. I will check that. Debug.log trigger. What else do we want? Debug.log log user.username plus is monitored. Then This might also... That's 10, so that's no way. Get my question, or should I ask again? Oh, God. Yeah, sorry. I expect even less chat reading than normal streams in these sort of streams. Just keep asking the question again and again until I see it. Oh, don't you even start, Guillem. Does Twitch have a specific API you're using, or is it all pure insert language here? It's this what I use. Twitch lib. C# Twitch chat. It's got lots of shit. Pub subs like channel points and stuff. Client and API like the main thing you use. I don't really know what this is. I don't touch that. But yeah, this, and it has all the you know, examples. You can just copy paste all of this and it'll probably work. But then you also need to set up the bot and stuff, and it gets really weird, icky. Okay, good. What even? I am adding good. I'm straight to this list. Turning all of them up to 100. If he sends more than one message in 5 minutes, then he's banned. There you go. So we might want to check just to make sure. Debug.log users.count. Just check how many people are in, and there should be enough information to go off. And also maybe user.spam timer. And also, maybe it is triggering and it's just... Oh, no, you know what it is. Yeah, I have to be live. That's why it's not timing them out, because when I'm not live. I remember now. Yep. Okay, so nothing's actually broken. I know what the problem... I just figured out the problem. Shut the fuck up. I got the problem. All right, undo everything. We'll try and undo all this, and that's not even the problem. All right. Let's just temporarily get rid of this. Cool. What is this song? This is not Little Big Planet. Yeah, that'll do. Wait, what the fuck? Huh? Is my... Okay, I think my... I was confused for a second. Why, this is the notification for the stream, but then I was confused why they're all now the same icon. Well, that's good to know. God damn it. Fucking Discord. Or Twitch. Or both. Alright, let's do this. One message every 5 minutes when the timeout runs out. Exactly. On loop forever. Alright, let's try again. Yeah. Alright. Ready, Leaf? Youth Industries Discords? Well, one of them's personal. One of them's just what I use to send stuff between my phone and my computer. Come on, Leaf. Come on, Leaf. Yay! Right, now send them more than 10 seconds apart. I also need to turn off notifications, because then, yeah, I'm going to get so many notifications. Alright, so send one and then wait 10. So you sent one there. Now wait 10 seconds. Also, remind me to add Guillem to this list. Alright, it's probably been 10 seconds now, right? And you should be fine. There we go. Cool, it works. It works. Very nice. So that's the spamming thing done. You also need caps lock. Actually, but before we do that, while I remember, where's notification? Why? Stream. Notifications. Over here, we don't want timeouts anymore. I think that will just spam with this new system. So we don't need timeouts anymore. Don't need to be notified about that. Finn is a tyrant. There we go. Lovely. Really? You're gonna the day before mine do a face reveal? Man, nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see that. Right, now we need a button. Industry's channel dies. I mean, honestly, probably not wrong. My channel be long dead. What are you on about? Now we go UI. Go create monitor user button. Nice terms will give you ice cream. I see. Yeah. Ice cream or like cocaine or something. One of the two. Bum, 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 ba, bum. I'm not seeing your message because I'm coding. I told you I'm not going to read your messages this stream. Unless I put chat into like slow mode. Then I could probably read your messages. You're not gonna like that. Then I'll get more complaints. Oh, why is it slow mode? Set user monitor use which monitor user right. A private Twitch monitor user this dot user. And we're gonna need three things, right? User button. So we're gonna need name. Gonna need what was the other stuff? Caps and spamming and timeout. Three things. So we're gonna need private image. Gonna need. Fuck, I've already forgot them. My memory is so bad. Caps lock, right? Caps lock icon. Gonna need tick and cross. We're gonna need private color caps lock color. You gotta make it aesthetic. We also need input field. We're gonna need spam input and timeout input. And then things when those change on spam changed on timeout changed. There we go. And private void update button. Update button. Saves us some time. So name text dot no name text dot text equals user dot username. Caps lock icon dot sprite equals user dot caps lock. If it's on, tick, otherwise cross. Caps lock color dot set. Oops, that's got a U in it. That's not how you spell color. Probably just triggered about 50% of my audience with that comment. Set color type user dot caps true if it is. Green, otherwise red. We're really good at them typing games. Great, now I want to play one of those games. Fuck. Should I do it? I kind of want to do it. Alright, let's warm up. 1 minute test, medium. This it? How does this work? Okay. I can work with this. Let's do this. Oh, probably not gonna be able to talk through it though. Oh, okay. Missed it. Wait, shit, do you think it's punctuation and capitals as well? Ah, I'll do that anyway. Fuck. Oh god. Uh. 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 No, no, not doing that. Restart. Full stop. Full stop. All right, take two. Okay, turns out it is caps. That it does matter. Restart. You're not very good. I mean, is anyone? You're never good on your first run. Oh my god! You can't even do like control, control backspace to like get rid of the word. You have to. All right, fuck this. I ain't doing this. Wasting my time. Wasting my time. You got to get into the swing of things. Warm up them fingers. Spam input dot text equals spam. Timeout input dot text equals user dot timeout dot toString. Oh my god. Tony Face at 500 subs for me as well. Well, Guilherme, you know what you have to do. He's probably got the funds. He actually probably would do that. If in or is it float? I think it's a float. Right, timeout's an int. Try pass. Spam input dot text out float spam equals true. Oh, we need a method. Dang it. Public void set spamming float spam. Spamming equals spam. Public void set timeout int timeout. Timeout equals timeout. This, and then we can here user dot set spamming to spam. If int pass timeout int text out int timeout true user dot set timeout. Easy. Gonna go watch AI SpongeBob because that's all your viewers watch apparently. That is not what my viewers watch. I'll tell you what my viewers watch. I'll tell you the shared channels. Here? Yeah, look. Actually, wait. Was it stream summary? Engagement. There you go. About 15% that I share my viewers with is Glowy, Sign, Apple. Basically everybody that I've rated. Basically. Stats, the stats. Most of them watch just chatting and special events. A few GTA, VR chat, Diablo. Not bad. Also, holy shit, that's a lot of raid emotes used compared to like the second highest. Beige. Look in the Discord. I mean, yeah, that makes sense. Wait, there's two AI SpongeBobs. Oh, god damn it. Oh my god. Okay, see, this is why I need caps. This is why I need caps. Fucking Guram. Look at this shit. Look at it. Terrible. Right, well, I think this should do, right? Oh, I need a toggle. Shit. Public void set caps. Equals state. Caps lock equals void toggle caps. User caps. Opposite of user dot caps. Update button. There you go. There you go. Cool. UI pretty much mostly done now. Oh, and fuck. A way to create them would be nice. Private monitor button prefab. Private transform button parent. Also private list of monitor user butters. Then private void create buttons that public void add user. Oh no, we already have that. Right? Yeah, here. If string key equals name input.text or 2 upper. If string is null or white space key, or if it's not, users.contains key equals false. Users add key new thing name input text. Don't want that uppercase. Cool. Been as a VTuber, I am. I'm a virtual YouTuber. Not conventional, but when I have my VR on, I look kind of the same. Okay, Gulam, what are you doing? What are you doing, Gulam? Hello, Twixter. Oh my god, what? Gulam and Twixter on some... Oh no, Tony and Twixter. Tony and Gulam are on some other shit right now. Oh, and create buttons. There we go. So, buttons. For each button, we want to destroy the button. Buttons.clear. I thought that my phone was goddamn ringing. Because this is my ringtone. God damn it. Actually, a little jump there. Ring, Twitch, user, monitor. Yeah. Yeah. Only see the messages with caps. I can see why he does it now. Let's see. Twitch, monitor, user button, instantiate button, prefab button, parent button dot set user pair dot value, button dot add, button, what button. There you go. That's all you gotta do. Simple as, easy peasy. Ban this violent who's what? Oh, just Gulam. He's like a dog with all bark no bite. He genuinely physically couldn't beat you up if he tried. Or he'd break a limb. Bro is a twig. I mean, his nickname in university was Twig, so, you know, deal with that information as you will. I can beat you up? Doubt. Even me in my whittled, no muscle state could probably beat up Gulam, if I'm being honest. Monitor users. There you go. You're just embarrassing yourself, Gulam. Just be quiet. Just be quiet. What a jokester. What a jokester. IRL boxing stream. Oh, that'd be funny. Should sign up for Creator Clash. Oh, you do? Do you sign up? Actually, no, they probably pick people. Background. Oh, like that. I'm a gym lad. You were? Not anymore, though. No, you're just a rat. Not a gym rat anymore, you're just a rat. This rollable. Boop, boop, boop. 25 from the left, 25 from the right, 25 from the top. 100, 125 from the bottom. Horizontal, don't even need this or this. Clamp it. 50's usually good. I wouldn't take that. All he can do is take that. Little beta bitch. Go. I like to talk a lot of shit to Guillem. One of my favourite pastimes. Because he just takes it, bro. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Vertical. Size fitter. Wait until this Saturday. Bro, you're in my domain. You think you're gonna have the advantage? I've got the home field advantage. Yeah, it's Avian's birthday this weekend. He's having a barbecue at mine. Because you know that's just how it works, right? But yeah. Gonna yeah, break your kneecaps in, mate. I've got hammers lined up and ready. Actually, don't even have. I've got chopsticks lined up that'll break your kneecaps. Oh, it's Scott Man. Is that the Scott Man? Is that good? I'm Scott Man, or is that just a Scott Man? I'm just worried because Guillem has a friend called Scott Man as well. Oh yeah, it's his friend. Hello, Scott. Monitor user button. At least I hope it is. If it isn't, then that's awkward. Someone else, mate. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. That sounds like something Scott Man would say. We're gonna play some Dota now? Okay. Add that to the list of things I did not need to know today. Imagine playing Dota in 2023. Imagine. Play League. Just play League, bro. Just stop beating around the bush. Play the better game. Make this flexible. This game. See you, good. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Thank God, am I right? This font. Old. Username. 5 from the top. Alrighty. We actually add an image. So it's not completely. Oh, actually no, don't want that. We'll just have on each individual thing. Or no. Background. Background. Bam, ba, bam. Bam, ba, bam, ba, bam. Cool, that'll do. Why are we talking about shit game? Why are we talking shit about League? No. League's the superior game. They said they're off to play Dota, which is the inferior game. Icy burned herself. She's really living up to the name. I mean, what kind of burn? Are we talking burn, or burn? Both is bad. Nah, League's good. League's fun. Dota, just confusing. Just confusing. Caps lock. Bop. Up, up. Cool. Well. This is green. Wait, why are you? Oh, there you go. 15. I should also make this have a bit of padding. Lovely. You burned yourself with the oven. Yeah, she forgot how to use an oven mitt. Hmm. I feel like there's only one step in using an oven mitt. Like the only step is put it on. So let's hope she got that step right at least. Because if not, then I'd be a bit concerned. Bam. And I'm out. This red. Bam can also be red. Oh, I should probably change this color. And there's probably a space. Or there should be two. That's going to be text. There should also be 200. Bit of room in between. That's not what I wanted to do. 450, 100. Get rid of the background. There's a 50s or 100s bit. That'll do. Like that. I didn't. This. Caps lock color. Bam color. Bam color dot set color type to spam in dot in no float dot try pass spam input dot text out float spam true and spam green 0. There it is. Green, otherwise red. Red. There you go. Oh wait, no. I don't even need to. What am I doing? Dot spam. There you go. Very nice. Your kid will get both of your brain. I don't think that's quite how genetics works. Just not professional, a medical professional here, but I think it's a bit more to it than that. Hmm. Do we get a warning before it times us out? Nope, you just get timed out. And I mean, the reason it will say the reason spamming stuff like that. Jeez, indeed. All right, so this needs you are. Oh, I hate. See, this is the worst part. Freaking. Oh no, caps lock spam. All this UI shit takes the longest. I also need to turn off this. That could be. God. I'm gonna move on to my other game now. I'm bored of this. need need Subway Surfers. Right. Middle, bold, white. Ugh, it's just so monotonous. All right, and then this is bam, limit. Okay. At least after this, we can then copy paste. God, whoever invented Control C, Control V, I love you. This can be timeout. Not really too fussed about it looking bad. No, never mind. I am. That looks terrible. Set it to. That'll do. Our UI designer. That would take even longer. This took me like 5-10 minutes. Hiring somebody to do it will take days to get anything back. You know. Ugh. No. And then on value changed. Oh god, we need to. Oh no, we did add it. On value changed. This is on timeout change, right? On timeout change. This one is on spam changed. All right, I'm forgetting something, right? Spam. Fuck. Spam caps. Oh no, I'm not. That's it. Nice. So I think that's. Oh, and right. Icon. Don't need color. White. The icon to pick. Shrink down a bit. That'll do. And you know what? Because I'm consistent with my art styles, I'll make this all like paper themed, even though no one's gonna see it. Feel nice to have it. There you go. Just the outlines a bit more, for the edges, a bit more character. Oh, and the icon needs a shadow. 3. There you go. Cool. And then this icons. Pick. Cross. Cool. Name text is here. Caps lock icon is here. Caps lock color is here. Spam input is here. Spam color is here. Timeout input is here. And that's it. That's everything. Maybe make this a bit brighter. Maybe I just don't even have this at all. Nah. Needs something. It needs something. So guess give this that. Ah, it's better than nothing. Cool. Oh, and right, we need a button. Bouton. No, this, toggle, caps. Oh shit, there's nothing saying caps here. Or widen this. Eel. 200, 250. No, that's not 250. 250. We'll shove this to the side. Yeah. 100. That and some caps. What size text is this using? Really? Oh. A little bit bigger than that. Wait, yeah, what the hell? Why is this so... I guess that is it. Interesting. I'll make this go to the left. Bring in a little and shrink this down to whatever we need. Out there. Yeah, it doesn't look the greatest, but who cares? No one's going to see it. No one's going to see it. What banger. Orb of Dreamers. What a song. What a song. We'll make these non-raycast targets. Oh, God, Gulam, why are you back? What did I miss? Why did Gulam come back? What are you queuing up? Bring back Scotman. I want Scotman. I like Scotman. Like the cooler Gulam. Go here. Parent. Monitor user button. Oh, I'm going to need a way to open this as well. Ugh. Name input. Oh, and oh, God. It's not over yet. The nightmare hasn't ended. All right. Create. Jesus Christ. 15, 15, 15. Cool. Waiting to get into a Dota game. Of course you are. Horizontal. Oh my God. Just someone in my suffering. Username. At least we can copy stuff. I need. I'm just going to see, this is the good stuff. You can just take stuff that already exists, shove it in here. We're also going to need that button. And that'll do. Right, so this needs to have a flexible width, right? We want username. There you go. Flexible width and bit of spacing around it. This create button is way too big. 70. Make this the whole thing. Get rid of the text. There you go. Look at that. Looking nice. Looking suave. Which here. Which monitor create user. Add user. Cool. And then here. Make this gold. That hard to read? That's kind of hard to read. Who gives a shit? Placeholder text, username. We can make this bigger. Nice. Cool. Okay. Now we're making progress. Input field done. All right. Now we just need a way to open it. Which is private game object parent. Oh god. Public static bool in UI get private set equals false. Private void show bool state in UI equals state parent dot set active state fingers be fail me. Show false. That one called show. One just says show true. Oh god. Lay update if input dot or if in UI equals true and input dot get key down key bindings dot get key binding for pause escape true show false. Okay, there we go. And then we also need a cursor controller, which please tell me it's open. It's not open. Oh wait, no, I can just cursor controller. Cursor controller. Click that. Or monitor which monitor dot in UI equals true. Like that. Okay, is that everything? I think we're good. This we need to hook up to the control panel, but I think that's good. What are you guys? Okay, good. What are you sewing? Because it looks like chaos. You don't have the Solution Explorer in your VS Code. I do, but okay. So like, I don't know why this happens, but you know, this is like an easy way to like, you know, see all the things you previously opened, but you have to open them first. But the only issue is sometimes this just resets itself. Because as you can see, there's two windows open. And sometimes one will override the other, or it will just completely reset because the project split into shit game and Findustries. There's like two different assemblies, which for some reason opens two different things. So, async. I don't know. I don't speak computer. You know, ironically enough, I speak very simple English. You know, why do you think I use C#? Or why do you think I like it? I don't know what asyn is. A sign. I don't know. I'm over it already. I think that's everything. All right, and the parent. This. And we need to go into control. Ew. I mean, I could use that, but I don't know. It's kind of grim. What if I sat here? Yeah, no, I don't like that. No. Effort. I like how like I don't like the sidebars. Like you can see why I like simplicity. That's why I got nothing here, nothing here. Just me though. Which once we want this A B C D F2. My Stream Deck. So this can open Twitch monitor show. Monitor. That'll do. Cool. Okay, I think that's actually everything done now. Turn this off for now. And let's try it out. Let's try it out. If sub ended, someone sub me or else. Don't sub this stream because it doesn't record it. Personal. That's not even a normal message. Still weird. Oh shit, it's not F, it's E, god damn it. Alright. Well, either way. Press button. There we go. It opens. So it hasn't created. Oh, right. Got to actually call the create buttons thing. Create buttons. Probably do this after loading or in the load users method. Oh, and now this should work. Wait, it does call this as well after adding a new person, right? Yeah, it does. Does your code have an exception for people who begin their message with an exclamation mark? I mean, I can do whatever, but why would I do that? Why would I do that? Okay. Good, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? I mean, I know why. It's always because he's bored. He's always bloody bored. All right. Right now. There we go. Look at that. So I can change the timeout duration, the spam duration, caps lock mode or not. Very nice. There's no delete button yet, but I mean, these two I can just keep it forever. Or if someone wants to do commands in rapid concession, what? That's not even a word. Yeah, that would yeah. Well, no, it's not connected to Twitch. Yeah, if I connect to Twitch, there we go. Now you do it. It doesn't connect by default because it can lag sometimes. I can add. Who else can I add? I don't unreasonably use capital letters for a week. Can you remove me off the watch list? Yeah, that's the exact point. I put you on the watch list till you start behaving yourself. Not a permanent thing. Or maybe it is. Who knows? Oh, there he goes. You got both Gulam and Dr. Leaf. Alright, so I set this to like... Oh, the next test is to make sure it saves and loads. So we'll temporarily get rid of this. Oh, we also need to get rid of the hard-coded. And you know, while we're at it, might as well just... add a delete button as well. Public void delete. Song. Private, Twitch, monitor. This dot monitor. How have you not found a game yet, Gulam? Surely you found a game by now. Please. Go here. Public void remove user. Twitch monitor user. If users dot contains user dot username equals true. Okay. Come again. But thank you for the sub, Gulam, I guess. You piece of shit. I forgot about the Italian accent. But a nice message. You no, you're not getting mod. No, most definitely not. I think we all know that's a bad idea. Can't even give Avian mod anymore because I know that you'll just exploit him. Dot remove user. I don't like Gulam anymore. That's Cap. You know you can't live without him. What's going wrong? All right. This I can see Panda as a mod. Man, what do I even need mods? I have mods and they still don't do anything. So there's still, you know, racist memes in memes. You know, they just sit there for weeks. I don't do anything because I want to see if mods do anything about them, and they just sit there forever. I think it's still a Hitler one in there somewhere. What do I need? Fun. Racist memes are not allowed. Yeah. Oh, it's actually, yeah, it was Scar, I think, that posted them. Yeah, of course. What do you mean? Yeah, no shit, they're not allowed. Keep them in TRAF if you really want to post racist memes. Delete. Go. That. Icon. It's much funny. I mean, yeah, but it's not good for a public Discord. You know, keep it private. Treat. Like, would you put this in like a high school group chat or something like that with teachers in? You know, if you could send that message to all your high school comrades, would you do it? And if the answer is no, then don't do it. You know, that's the general rule of thumb. Trying to create, you know, a safe space, a nice little safe space. Oh, is there no button? Delete. Yeah, I think I need to go on another purge of my mods. I think it's time. Need to check the audit logs, see what's been done. It's like we have too many. Just yeah, don't do anything. Which is no fault of their own, but it just yeah, it just means they're not cut out for mod. Not a bad thing, but I was the best mod. What, you or Ray Jr.? Let me have a look at the old audit log. Oh my god, how many? Why did you create like 6 invites in the same day, Avian? Yeah, I'm not seeing much activity. And all the activity I see is me just deleting the bad messages. Oh my god, what did you? Dharma is shit. Oh my god, because Dharma's too nice. You gotta be tough to be a mod. You gotta be not afraid to wield your power. Which I mean, I give props to Gulam. He wasn't not afraid to use his power. You know, that's that. But then the bad part is he also then abused his power, as he normally does. It was a fun but fair mod, right? No, I don't think threatening to time out the entire server for not showing up to an event counts. Alright, I think I'm done. Let's just test it out now. Ask anyone. I'm not actually going to time them out. You have in the part. Don't even try and come at me that like you haven't, and it was just a joke because you have. I've seen you. You torment people. You can't help it. You're addicted to it. All right. If I do Gulam 98, it'll tick. There you go. Gulam's in. Oh, I should also set the default to not be on. Bowing to 0. Timeout. 5. Yeah, cool. There. So set this to 0. Oh, I still need to do caps though. Well, I'll set it to 1 second. Oh, I need a little thing as well saying bam. So if Gulam sends, oh no, I set it to 1 minute. So if Gulam sends more than one message every minute, he gets a 5-second slap on the wrist. Oh, and I need to reconnect. There you go. Why am I getting picked on? It's called testing. There you go. There he goes. Other people are sending messages. Yeah, no, it's not about that. I'm just testing that it works, which it does. So, good job. Good job. Or, you know, thinking about it, when he gets timed out, I don't think it's going to reset the timer. So if he comes back and types again. Wait, good, I'm typed now? Yeah, it's still on. Okay, I should make it so it resets. Oh, no. Or maybe I don't. Oh, do I not? Nah, I'll leave it as is. But there you go, it works. Alright, and then if I delete. You're right. You're right, Guillem. Okay, you can speak now. There you go. Alright, cool. So that works. Now we need to test it at saves. Actually, no, I'll test it with .delete because we're going to test the caps locks in a second. So we'll set caps locks to true, set this 69. That'll do. He's probably going to get timed out any second now. Okay. Okay, good. And then he JKs. Right. You gotta stop threatening my chat, Gulam. Okay. If he sends another message. Wait, what was the cooldown? 69. There you go. Very nice. Cool. So if I save now and I load back up, that's a double JK. Yeah, exactly. Double negative. Oh yeah, Tony's mod. Tony can just ban him. I leave that decision up to Tony. I leave that up to him. I will respect your decision. Right, so if we load, there you go. 69 caps on. Cool. Very nice. Well, it works. Also, I'm gonna keep this. If Gulam sends more than one message every 5 seconds, he gets timed out. There you go. So we got to do caps lock stuff. Should save. So we come back to here. Monitored. If that there, because we also want to check caps. If user.caps equals true. Now, how do we check caps lock? Best way I'm thinking is ASCII. Let's just have to check if letter is capital. Find the regular non-unity seal. Oh wait, I know how I can do this. Oh Jesus. Actually, no, that won't be the most efficient way. Actually, I know what to do. I'm stupid. All right. Private dictionary of char. Actually, not even a char, just hash set of chars. Capital letters. Why do anything? This will save so much. This is what this is n to the 1 or n1 search time. So int count equals 0. Total as well. Message dot message dot message dot to RRA dot yeah. And we'll turn that char characters equals that. For each char per characters. We also need to set the oh, I should probably make this its own thing as well, shouldn't I? That can't be asked. Yeah, we'll hard code it. We'll just hard code it. Yeah, don't worry. The caps is going to be taking control soon. Don't worry. If capital letters dot contains current equals true, count plus plus. Vote result count out of total. That's 0. We don't want an error. I messed up. Let dot length, motherfucker. Jesus. Greater than 0. Oh, god damn it. Wait. No, wait. No, what? Yep. There. If it's not an empty message. Whatever. Oh, wait, no, we can just do if characters dot length is greater than 0. Just in case. Not that I ever would, but. So the result is going to be out of how many letters are capital out of the total. If result is greater than 0.1, if 10% or more than 10%, I guess, timeout. Oh no. Switch dot timeout. Message dot user dot name. User dot timeout. Reason. App. Bam. There you go. So if it's more than 10% of them are capital, then you get timed out. Which, I mean, if you send a 2-letter word and one of them's capital, that's 50%. So, and we should probably also put like a min. Okay, we'll make it greater than. What's like the minimum? Or 10 letters, I guess. Because then if one of those letters is capital, that's fine. Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay. Capital letters thing is flawed. What if somebody sends a message that it's just one letter? Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. If it's under, a short word, no. Probably different rates depending on how many letters there are. How am I going to do that? 50%. No, I don't want to allow more of capitals. No, no. So okay, let's just put out some scenarios. Somebody sends a letter A. Is that a timeout? No. Somebody sends a A. Is that a timeout? Probably yeah. And yes. and oh. Maybe it should be per word. A Badaki red. Oh shit, hello Badaki. How you doing? I didn't even notice. How you doing? So we're just I'm implementing a system to avoid my viewers from spamming capitals. How you doing? How you doing? Sorry. Yeah, this is welcome to the boring stream. This is it's not my usual type of stream. I'll be honest. This is a one-off little development stream. Normally, well, I'll show you what I'm working on. You know what? For now, I'm gonna leave it. If that is enabled and if it's over 10%, then it does it. Watch this. Watch this. Leaf, I'm gonna need you to test this out. Working on bots isn't boring at all. I mean, yeah. Well, this bot's, yeah, I guess gonna be pretty fun. But I put a disclaimer out there because my my audience is used to a lot more they're all from TikTok. Let's just say that. Let's just say that. Would and would return no. Oh, I don't know. I'll deal with that later. I'll deal with the specifics later. I just want to make sure it works first. So hopefully, if I connect, wait for it. Okay, good. And then the Dr. Leaf, you have it. Try sending a message with more than 10% capitals. Just a message with all caps, as you are prone to do. Do one, but that's summer, I guess. In it. Come on. No, you got to do it. You got to do it. Come on. I know. It's a lot of pressure. It's a lot of pressure. Performance under pressure. Come on, buddy. You know you want to. I know how much you love it. Oh, I'm an idiot. Yeah, I can't. Might have forgot to populate the capital letters table. Fine, it's fine. No, things happen. These things happen. They happen. Capital letters dot add A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. I hope that's enough. All right. Fine. It's fine. Shh. You didn't see it yet. Shh. We're still. Shh. F G H I J K L M N. Shut up. O P Q R S S E U D. Oh, shit, how was I so far off? W X Y Z. There we go. There we go. Okay. No more spam. No more spam. No. Hold up. But yeah, no, dude. This weather's too hot right now, and it's not even that hot. What temperature? Oh, I don't want to see that. Yeah, 23 degrees, and I'm sweating buckets, and that's not even like the hottest it gets. Go to so bad, I want to be sick, dude. I mean, not wrong. Project's got into the size that it's just yeah. Spaghetti code. 23 is a nice day. Doubt. All right, now try. Yeah, no, I don't want to do a list. A hash set's better. Come on. You're not on the list. Not yet. Unless you want to be. You can be on the list. Hey, it worked. There you go. It times him out if he sends messages with more than 10% caps. There you go. I guess people on the list just can't send short messages. Because I can't be asked to, you know, work with less than that. But there you go, it works. Oh, he's trying. Yeah, let's see, that's still more than 10%. You have to just all lowercase. All lowercase. I think people on mobile are probably going to struggle because it auto, capitalizes. Oh, God. Also, wait, shit. Because my program isn't running, Poor Budaki here. Let me just double check he was added to the list. The raid list. Wait for it. I came back to Chaos. Yeah, that's normally how these things go. Alright. Oh, no, it didn't add him. Damn it. Well, this is the raid list. Oh, this is the raid list. And normally when my thing's running, every time I get raided, it adds the person to the list and puts them at the top. So up here, oh, that's I've already got caps on. Bardak. Okay. Bardak. There you go. Very nice. There you go. Would you call this a raid array? Yes. And I'll demonstrate how said thing works. So this is the list. It probably won't update till I run the thing again. But if I go over to, well, I put down the old raid thingy over here, find target. There you are. And it goes through, and if you're live, which Glowy is apparently live, then you're then the next on the list to be raided. Pog, what is Glowy playing? Oh, I've seen people playing this a lot. But yeah, it's pretty neat. So that, and then once, and I should probably also then show, then once you get selected, like Glowy was at the top before, she raided me recently. Thank you. Thank you very much for the follow. Where is it? There, live. Raid list. Go back into the raid list. Then look, Glowy's at the bottom. So then, once those people get raided, they get put to the bottom, so the other people then have a chance before. But if I then get raided by Glowy again, it'll then whoop, back up to the top. Because, it just seems fair. So that's kind of how the raid system works. I mean, to be fair, she probably won't be live when I finish. She usually raids me, so. But hopefully she's still live when I finish. But I don't know when I'm gonna finish. But then I can send people over. But yeah, that's the raid system. But now you're on it. But the only issue is, yeah, if I'm not running this game, it doesn't do that. And because I'm dev streaming. So the more people raid you, the more you raid them. Well, it puts them to the top, yeah. But then once that, then the next time I raid them, then it puts them to the bottom. So it have to be like a back forth to get the most use out of it. Yeah. Emojis break it. The lol emote. What? That is fine to me. What's wrong with it? Also, we need some more emotes. And I kind of want to use my custom system. Oh shit! Wait, it's not loading because turned off, right? Wait, not emotions. Emotes. Where's it? Which? Emotes here. Okay. Yeah, we need to add Oh shit! I forgot when I close it as well. It opens up their stream. I do this. All right, somebody send me potential emote material. I feel like we need more. Maybe like Omega Lol, because that's a 7TV or something. So now if I do this, there we go. All right, so we got all the emotes. Anyone have any suggestions for a new emote that doesn't require any Twitch validation and not Bean Man? We might actually already have Bean Man. Wait, do we have Bean Man? Oh no, we don't have Bean Man. Hey. Squid emote. There's already a squid emote, isn't there? I don't know. How about has to be a non already existing Twitch emote. I want Bean back. Oh, that was made by Frenchie Pog. Yeah, I remember she used to do artworks. Nope. Too many capitals. You can't even do emotes. Yeah, yeah. I don't see the issue. You're using capitals. It's no excuse. You can't. Yeah, now you're not allowed to send emotes either. I don't have to do anything. What you have to do is stop using capitals, and then you won't have this thing applied to you anyway. So yeah, behave yourself. The emote purge. Well, it only applies to you. So what do I want as an emote? I don't have one of like just my profile picture. Copy link. Okay, look at this. Now, okay, I'm gonna make it so that anytime somebody says the, it's just a picture of my face. All right, there you go. Try saying the. That's so cruel. And what? And what? Need Bean Man. Oh yeah, I banned the word Bean Man. Right. Good times. Good times. All right, somebody say the. No, not capital with the lowercase, as you saw it. Case sensitive. There you go. What's a Bean Man? You don't want to know. Can you say corm? No. No capital. Just. See, look at that. There you go. All you need, honestly. That's all you need. And it's not red anymore. I fixed that as well. They're a little bit small. A little bit small. Ba-bam. All right, there you go. All right, well, there you go. Monitoring system done. Nice. Sorted. Beautiful. Love it. So we can add that to the patch notes, which yeah, not much on there. Haven't touched the project in 2 days, but added user monitoring. Monitoring. Only 1 3/4 hours. Wait, what? Oh shit, yeah. Must coming up to 2 hours in it just to do that. To be fair, I work like 10 times slower when I'm streaming. That's not bad considering. All right, away with this boring stuff. Be gone. Be gone. All of ye. All of you go. Done. Don't need that. CBA. Off to watch some anime with the Spice. Which one? Which one? Oh, you can't just leave like that. Yeah, RNGG time. It's time. Or fun game. Don't know. Well, I can't say I've ever heard of it, but I enjoy it nonetheless. Nonetheless. Bye, Tony. Have you sorted outside of UK regions? Well, it doesn't seem like that's... Well, Twix is meant to... Yeah, Twix is... oh, no, Twix is at work. All right. Is there anybody here that's not inside the UK and maybe Europe that would be willing to test? Harry? Queen? Well, I'll post the... It's such an early build, it doesn't really matter if I post it publicly. Buggy anyway. But, have a look. Random game. Alright. Let's build it first. Okay, first of all, I'll show you where I'm at. Show you what I've done. But yeah, we'll see if it's just the panda thing or if it's a region thing. But yeah, so far what I've done, new changes. I've made quite a few. So actually, this probably isn't the best thing because I accidentally fucked up. Let's go number 2. All right, this one. Oh wait, this is the least one. So new changes. First of all, have a look at this. Zooming. It zooms in to wherever the camera is pointing or the mouse is. Look at that. You know, so the mouse always stays in the same position, which is nice. I don't know what you call that, but Very nice. Very nice. Sounds mid. You sound mid. We also got parallax. Goes on forever. Very nice. Very nice. You can change that as well. You know, different types. Actually, I haven't tried these ones out yet. Yeah, those ones definitely need some work. They're new. But we got, you know, snow. We got all the sorts. Very nice. Very nice. Hello, Ethereum. Hello, I don't know. Mike, MIC, and Brains App. Yeah, there you go. What other ones do we have? Look quite cool. Oh, yeah, it's the separation. I was in the middle of configuring it, so bear with me. And that one, I recently just got these as well with this new little pack, which has, you know, stuff like this in it. So if I zoom in a bit, change the background, normal. So we got I got this cool little art pack thing. Got a little highlight now as well when you hover over stuff. Also got, so if I put down a gear, there you go, gear, but in the top right, this is sort of the configuration thing, so that I can set the layer to behind. -1 makes it go behind this because this one's 0, or you know, vice versa. That's 1, and then set this to 2. You know, and if you want to you know, turn off collisions when something's like transparent like that, it means it's not going to collide. Might need to make it a bit more visible. That's kind of hard to see, but that means you won't collide with it. And if it's got full color, that means you'll collide with it. So if we just put in start point. Oh, also if you press shift, it does a grid. Or look at that, fun. We saved that. Go home. I need to stop and start because there's a little bug that I'm working on. Is it going to be put vertical parallax? Probably not. No, because effort. F1. Launch this. So that wheel should be non collidable. Taking so long to load. Oh, it's because there's no. Right. I just made that a thing that you can't launch a level if there's no finish point. Alright, so if I put the finish point, I don't know, up here. Save that. Restart. This looks so much better. Can't wait to make some epic in it. Yeah, just wait till I add all the look in here. Right. Look. What is it? Build enemies? What's that? Objects. Buildings. Like, look at this shit. Look at them. They're all so pretty. Got all these buildings you can put in the back. I haven't turned them into objects yet, but F1 that. No, oh wait, shit, wrong one. Well, I'll just demonstrate anyone this one. Oh wait, no, I can't even because it fucked up and made everything transparent. God damn it. There's no settings, so you can't even back out. You have to just complete. That's my map. Yeah, this map. That's map. So this one. There you go. So now it works. So if you see here, I can stand on this, but I can't stand on the gear because the gear transparent. Although the gear shouldn't be transparent in this mode. I need to update that as well. So there, look, you can turn off collisions now if you want things to be like background objects. And also I added that little bar at the top that shows how close you are to the finish line. Still, you know, very temporary little icon at the moment, but oi. Yeah, once you reach the end then and everyone's done, then yeah, done. Anyway, I'll build this now and send it just so we can get people to test if it works outside the US. I'm gonna go into the files and make the player bean man. Oh, great. And I forgot to put this in quotation. God damn it. Instead of turning them all intro objects, why not make an object that can have their texture if they don't have... What are you talking about? If Unity editor. Wait, did the music stop? And that's depressing. End if. Forget that builds can't or build with editor stuff in it. I'll do. Who's testing? Whoever can. I think Queen offered, and someone else. Whoever wants to build. Something like 50 megabytes or so. It might have gone up actually since I added the new pack. I can. I thought you never wanted to play my game, Tacos. What happened to that? What happened to that? Look how quick this is. 23 seconds. New record. And this rest. Because it's under 50 megs, it should just be able to say, or put it in general. Yeah, 42 megs. All right. I'll put it in development. There you go. It uploads. Screen might die a little bit. Oh, yep, it's going down. Oh, how you guys doing? You doing all right? Nice nice Tuesday. Right, there you go. It's in development. Download that and let's see if we can well, if you guys can connect. But you need Steam. You need Steam open. It's Wednesday. Not where I am, mate. In like 4 hours it'll be Wednesday, but yeah, anyone that can, and if you do, let me know. Otherwise, I guess we'll just keep going. I do this. Oh shit! No, that's not gonna work. Wait. That version's the wrong version. There's something I always forget to do. Wait, no. Oh no. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. And I deleted it. Fuck. Yeah, no, I don't need you to load it, Leaf. I need someone outside the UK. Okay, I might need to re-upload that. Fuck. I thought it was set up with the wrong local testing. Well, yeah, because I'm not hosting a server yet, mate. I implemented your little feature of adding something to the name. Still no working on my end. Bad times. Yeah, I did. Well, I mean, you should be able to see it. I start a server. You should just see it as the only one in the list when you reload. There you go. Hey, pro programmer. All right. Where's Queen? It was promised playtesting. And Cherry. Where's Cherry? Well, anyway, fuck it. Well, we can't test that. That's fine. We got work to do. We'll just have to wait till Twitter comes home later. So. I need to create all these items. Do I do this now? I kind of want to work on modifiers. That was like the main plan. Yeah, if Danny couldn't fix this problem, I doubt I'll be able to. His actually had some importance. Like, he would have tried his hardest. Because millions of people play crab game at some point. But me, Yeah, well, if he can't do it, I definitely can't. I got a stream. Been watching your voice for a while. Keep up the good work. Why, thank you, bud. Why, thank you. With a name like that, you'll fit in. You'll fit in here. Top boring content. These dev streams are. But yeah, we're just working today. We're just doing a little bit of work because I didn't do anything. Just an excuse. I got so caught up in making all this stuff. It's too much fun. I was having too much fun with the project loading so quickly. Do modifiers like in move or die. Well, I already used that as a inspiration for a couple of them. But the current ones I have, or these are the current ones I have. The green's already done. You know, shrink, no checkpoints, lights out, invisible. I don't know if any of these will actually work. Just you don't know until you play test. So I have to see which ones kind of work and which don't. No HUD, vintage, black and white. Force field, swapper, icy, windy, shadows, double jump, toggleable gravity, zoomed, jump king, and gravity switcher. I'm in the game. All right. Let's test this shit. Yeah, it takes 2 seconds to open the lobby. All right, it's just called Ah. All right, you see that long? You might need to press reload. I assume you're medic. Right? No? Who the fuck's medic? Oh, that's Tacos. Well, at least it works in Canada. My dad's Steam. I see. But do you not have your own Steam account? You don't see anything long. Have you pressed reload? You shouldn't need to rerun the app. Just press the reload button. Yeah, there's no tutorial today. Well, unless I can get the link from the intro. There you go. There you go. That is the command, but it only works when I'm running the program. This isn't the same program. This is a whole new game. This is my random game. My commercial game. Is the reload button supposed to be black? What? Oh yeah, Long has like a potato PC, so like everything always breaks. Mine didn't connect. What does that mean? Any more information? Oh, there you are. Pog. I'm hosting one. Oh, we'll check that in a minute. All right, there we are. Does this work? One of the modifiers is auto jump. The other one is super slow. So this is this is going to be painful. I mean, it's working. Infuriatingly. Oh shit. Oh god. There you go. Well, at least it's working. And then once he gets to the end, there you go. Goes back. Nice. Very nice. So basic gameplay loop, I guess, is almost in. And connection seems to be working. Well, there's no leave button, so you just have to like close the program. Send screenshots along. I need to see what you see. That's my own, isn't it? Do I get points? You get a thumbs up from me. Yeah, it doesn't seem Long's working either. Oh, I don't know. But, I mean, 4 out of 5 words, so I'd take that as a win. Yeah, for some reason, some people can't join with this stuff. Mine isn't working either. I mean, this seems to be the case, because, like, Crab Game had the exact same issues. And yeah. It's just a well-known thing. So I guess, I don't know, 80% of people can play this game. Which I guess is probably why I should release it for free. 146 page tutorial is crazy. Yeah, don't worry. Most of it's images. It's a picture book. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Like all of it's, well, most of it's cosmetics. But yeah, look at this. Look at this bad boy. Fat, but like most of it, yeah, just pictures of what you can look like. For those that yeah, like picture books. It's all just images. All images. But then there's a few commands and stuff at the bottom. Pets. And a lot of languages. Or like this is all TTS stuff. You want to change your TTS thing. But none of them work right now. It only works when the well, on non-dev streams. I don't know if I'm making a map. Can we play it? I kind of got work to do. I'm not. I can't really play much. You know, it's coming up to the 2-hour mark. I'm here to dev. Is it better do it now? No, do it when the actual game is on, because then you get a pet. As you might have seen in the tutorial, there's like pets that you get, and if you sub, you get a pet, and they're very cute. So yeah, save it for the actual streams. Hello, Twixter. How you doing? Yeah. All right. So today we are going to make some modifiers. That's the plan. Just make sure. Good. Oh, all right. So, which one do we do first? Out of all of these, which one would you guys want me to make? Which one sounds the most entertaining? I'm gonna go based off public opinion here. So what do you need people to test? I don't need anyone to test anything. The testing was just making sure it works overseas, and well, a couple people joined that were from overseas, so seems to work. But the old issue of not being able to connect at all, yeah, I don't know about that. Have to well, I don't know. It's a new system. It's not the one I normally use. So I'm having to learn everything. Yeah, look, see, you guys can play without me now. You don't even need me. You can host your own servers. Not that, you know, it'll be any fun. There's only like a few different modifiers. Gravity switcher seems silly. Or this one. Oh no, this one. Okay, let's do gravity switcher then. Which is, I mean, we've already got this one, which does the same thing. It just flips you upside down. Actually, I can show off what most of the modifiers do. What we currently have at the moment. F1. So this is super speed and inverted control. So you know, you press right, you go left. You press left, you go right, and a lot faster than usual. We also have this is super slow and inverted controls. This is trails. Currently they're just dots, but in the future they'll be more interesting, which just makes you leave a trail. Okay, yeah, I haven't made it so that you can't join when you're in a game, so you'll just be probably staring at a screen right now. But that's trails. This is auto run combined with super slow, so I'm not impressing anything. It moves. The general premise of that. Okay, you can stop. Don't. Also, what is that? There's a null. Race. Why? Guess I need that as well. What else? There is also that. That's flipped. Inverted gravity. Although there's nothing to sort of hit my head on. Where the fuck did it go? Why is it still going up? What the fuck? Why is it still going up? Oh, it's still flipped. Still flipped. There we go. 0. Oh god, it's so fast. There we go. Okay. Back down to 0. Jesus. That's flipped. Which, yeah, without a roof, not great. Might need to rethink that one. Because otherwise you're just falling forever. Music stayed the same for at least. Oh yeah. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's not happy. Oh, I just have to reload it apparently. Who knows? So yeah, would it have a voice chat? I mean, I can make that thing. Yeah, probably. Crab Game did it, so I should be able to do it. There's no way to complete this map. I want Rocket League levels of audio. What are they good? That thing. Oh, 0.1 words. Yeah. Lord Sax. What? Very boring. Can you put down every stream? Oh my god. Ro rude. Ro rude. Anyway. So yeah, those are the current modifiers we have at the moment. I'm still contemplating flipped or like anti-gravity. Because before, kind of the way I had it was that before the game would always look like kind of this, and there'd be like a roof here, and you could only go left or right. Which, I mean, I could make that still a thing. You know? What do you guys think? Do you think I should make it so there's always a ceiling? Make it like. Do you think that's good? So you can only go left and right? Because that way, then there's potential for more stuff. Make it a setting. No, but that's a thing. Nah, I don't know because that just complicates things unnecessarily. This is a simple game, a simple game. 100, but nah, see, nah, that's too complicated. There's too many I can already see the issues happening with that. With the holes in the roof. I mean, people can do that themselves. That's with the level builder, you can I don't know, raise the terrain a bit and then put some dangerous things there. And I think having a roof would probably. Oh, I guess we can test it out. This is what it'd be like. So if I did, there you go. I'd probably make it so as well the camera doesn't follow in the y-axis. You'd only ever be able to go left and right, which I don't think that's particularly a bad thing. Yeah, that could work. It's a left-right race instead of up-down, because then that also works better for the finish line. The finish line will always either be to the right or the left. But I don't know. That would simplify things more. How does Mario Maker do it? They probably have a limit. It'd be crazy not to have a limit. Gonna start working on my 2D game soon as well. Any ideas on what it should do? Well, you got to learn Unity first. That'd be a good starting point. Do not make your first game you make, or don't just get some experience under your belt. That's the first priority. Look how fun this could be. Mario Maker has a build height limit. But they also don't have it. Yeah. But you could easily just put a roof, where their limit is. But how high is their limit? How high can you go? I assume probably not that high. Use Unity made my endless runner game I was working on. Pog. Also, why does this show in front of the player? That should not be a thing. Yeah. Player layer. Order and layer -1. Oh, session work next time I join. So I'll make it pretty high. I think left and right is just easier. The Industries Game Jam. Yeah, but then I'd have to offer a prize, and I can't afford no prizes. Maybe for VIP. I doubt anyone will show up to it. There's like 2 game developers in a whole server. Server. Whoop. And also, actually, think about it. If we only go left to right, then we don't need the parallax going up and down. Solve 2 problems at once. Maybe the ground as well can change based on the background. That might be fun. You know, like this for the sand level. Oh, look how cool that looks already. Probably the ceiling might be. Wait, the ceiling. Oh, look, you can write like the ceiling. You obviously can't place stuff in, and that's where the thing goes. Oh, dude. Oh, I'm seeing a lot of reasons for having a ceiling. You know, we get inverted gravity. We get parallax not needing to be vertical. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of upsides here. I think I'm gonna go with that. Key thing's simple. Why this is my first game just to get me used to Steam. So why complicate things? Paste. So I guess for this we're gonna want to add something to parallax. It icon private color floor color dot white, make ceiling color layers. Good. Floor color, get return floor color. Ceiling. Cool, and then when we load it, do reference private sprite renderer floor and ceiling. And then when we load, try that, yep. Floor dot color equals current dot floor color. Ceiling dot color equals current dot ceiling color. There you go, easy as that. Making game sounds like something I can do. I'm just never in the mood to learn it. Mm-hmm. Thing. So, and then parallax. Go there. Floor go there. They'll all be white to begin with, but I also need to make the camera not here. Camera max as well. These should both be 0. What does this do? This lamp camera. So here we are. And between that. Wait. Fuck. Else if center is greater than that. Offset equals camera max minus center. Copy all of this actually. Clamp. Offset. Wait here. Is that what we want? Wait, fuck. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Where's my VIP? How come Avian gets it? I don't even know why Avian has it. I honestly don't. I would remove it, but I'm just too lazy to type. Honestly. The min, so this is 0. Oh, actually, it's inverted. Center, which is above, minus that. Center plus that. Ah, fuck it. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Average software engineer enjoying life. Exactly. Exactly. I haven't left the house in 2 months. Just loving life. Loving life. Right, let's see. That's already not working. Oh, where are we? Where? Oh, okay. Okay. Hold up. Why are we here? Where is here? Why are we 200 billion things in the sky? Why you do that? That makes sense. If center is greater than the max y being 1, this is the center of the screen there. If that is greater than 1, let's just assume 1's there. You're up here, then you want shuffle it down this much. So you want the center minus the max, which is center minus max. Yeah, that gets you the offset. And then you clamp. Oh, it's because this is min, isn't it? Float.min. Yeah. There we go. You want the maximum, not the minimum. There you go. Oh, god damn it, he arrived. Wait, what did he stab you in the butt? What? You're barely here, sorry about... I mean, he's not wrong. Not wrong. Deserve that video. No, he does not. No, he does not. Start to automate most things in consulting agency because managing CRMs and other crap is so tedious. What the fuck is a CRMS? I'm not good with acronyms. What are you guys? I've lost track of any form of conversation. The beef getting wild. Just FYI, Lord Sax, Avian, they know each other IRL. They're friends of mine. They're little shit stirrers. That's all they are. Okay, why is it still letting me go up? Well, it seems that's the max. 1. Why are you letting me go up? My is that. The min. The max is... Wait, no. Wait, what? The max has got to be... I think it's meant to be minus. One of these is the wrong way around. Center. So if I'm up here, center's here. Center minus that gets you that. Like you say, that's 5. Center minus that is 5. Offset. Center, which is here. Yeah, wait, center plus 5. No, minus 5. God. Right? Don't know why this one's plus. Probably because it's negative. Oh, it's because it's negative. Customer relationship manager. That sounds like dealing with people. Which, deal. I manage appointments and payments and basically connect me with customer easier. But to make it work best, you need to know a little bit of coding. I see. Help automate that shit. God, I love automation. Oh, there we go. There we go. Progress, boys. Progress. The min there. Max. 5? No. 10. Yeah, that seems about right. I forgot, yeah. Cool. Actually, mine needs to go a bit higher. 11. 10.5. Oh, it's about midway. 10.6. Yes. Same down here. Cool. 10.6. 10.6. Lovely. We don't understand all that. You're not meant to. You're not meant to. Please give us like a bit more vertical space. No, it has to fit within the camera. It has to fit within the camera. Good night, Pounder. Panda. Sent Danny a DM on Twitter in hope. Well, he didn't respond to any of the others, so I don't. So that's the another thing. You know, people either fix these problems or don't, but like they don't let you know. Like you didn't put anything online. Not it. So there's no follow up. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I've looked up online. Can't find the answer. Nobody else seems to have the answer. So it's just a problem that's just going to persist until someone comes along and teaches me. Because it's not in the documentation or anything. You know, nowhere. It seems like a Steam issue. Make the camera be able to zoom in and out. I got that right there. Right in the zoom. Yeah, you need more vertical space. Well, actually no. I just want this like this. You know, left, right. Like, why do you need to go up? It's a race. You're going left to right. You're not going up and down. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. All you need. Now we need to set these colors. Also, I should probably limit this zoom out to whatever the default is. Was it 5? Well, actually, I think it's like 7. Yeah, I think about there. Yeah, actually no, fuck it. Not gonna put a limit on that. This will do, bud. It's okay. You got infinity in either direction, you know? Ceiling and floor need to be green. Probably want them darker than the background. Maybe like that. Is that good? Yeah, that'll do. Copy that. Put it into mountains. What is this music? That'll do. Parallax. This one. We now want some sort of yellow. Don't want it to be. I need to blur the background somehow. Maybe more orange. Yeah, I can't be asked. That'll do. That's for the desert. Make them different if we need to, but effort at the moment. Floor. Some form of dark purple. Nice, that'll do. No. I mean, white's kind of good for that already, but I'd a hint of blue. Do. Icy. Cave. I still need to work on this one. Probably do that now. Actually, no, wait, I can, yeah, what am I doing? I can just do this. So first the scale needs to go up a bit. Let's double it. How's that? Oh, yeah, it's better. Yeah, that covers everything. It's kind of hard to tell because I can't see under here, but I hope it's good there. That looks good. So I just need to double the, oh, let's just go where it loops properly. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't, does it? Yeah, look, it doesn't. I need to change. Ah, shit. Okay, let's first set the scale right. Right. Then we double. Okay, this gap here bad. Hmm. Yeah, portals. Then I'll be happy. Yeah, there'll be portals. Probably. There'll be everything. It'd be much easier to add than in 3D. I would remove the music thing. Okay, I just gotta have this open. I think it's because I keep minimizing it. If I tab out, if I, yeah, it's because I minimize it, not because I hide it. God damn it. Well, there you go, fixed. All right. So the most front 130. It's almost the same. 29. Oh, that's all right. Where? 9.5. Make sure. 29 is such an odd number. 0.4. Oh yeah, look. 0.41. No. 39. You see, that's like perfect. Find the exact 395, 4, 393, 392. Sometimes just 39. Oh, it's just 39. On the old there. Oh wait, no. 89. Still a tiny tear. 88. 7. Okay. How is it still there? Okay. 0.38. Yeah, that'll do. Cool. Copy, paste that for all of them. Load. Good. Got. Ugh. I mean, that lines up good. Might need to make them 5 instead of. I should make them 4. Oh, I know. No. That's this. This is fine. This is fine because when it's bigger, you won't even. Yeah. Make these all 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. All right. How's that? Why? Wait, what? What? Okay, I'm just confused now. Ceiling and floor be gone. Why are you misbehaving? Yeah, why do, okay, that's not right. That should be spawning over there. Hold on. Just disable all these others. What does this look like? Oh god. Yeah, they're not. Okay, so the spacing needs to change when you change the scale. That okay. Okay. I get it. No, wait, that's bad. This should change scale, not these. So these should all still be 1. You know, that's perfect. But then this needs to go to 2, 2, 2. Right? And then when you do that, wait, what? Okay, well now I'm just confused. Maybe you can't do that. Well, the flawed system, I guess, wins. You have to space them out. Well, I can just do it like this. Oh, what am I doing? Don't need all of that. Just drag it myself. Find the perfect spot. I'm stupid. Teleports would be cool. Like if I made multiple paths, then one can have an advantage by choosing the right path. Exactly. Like a Mario pipe. Okay, Avian, why are you just spending all your points? You know they don't work in this stream. By the way, you seem to have custom things for your UI so you can have lists in the inspector. How? You what? What are you talking about? Wait. All right, now, of course, became vertical levels. Those vertical. Maybe. Maybe. Just maybe. I don't know. I'm trying to keep things simple. I don't want to add another dimension to this game. Left to right for now. Vertical expansion. $5. There you go. Vertical it looks a bit different because you're zooming out. That parallax is breaking. Oh no, yeah, no, I fixed the parallax zoom problem. Yeah, no, I've got this. I know what's going on. So if I do 8, 1, no, 9. Make sure this is perfect. Not that anyone will be able to tell at this distance. Down to the atom. I mean that is pretty perfect. As is. All right. 58.76. Should be good for them all. Because they're part of a pack, they're not like different. Makes things easier. Yeah, that is pretty good. No noticeable jittering or anything. Cool. I like that. Nice. Now I just need to copy paste this. I should just copy the whole thing. Paste. Copy this one and override the forest and tundra. Forest. Tundra, and then we'll put these as they should be. Parallax. Fuck. It's this one. Backgrounds. Cave. Only got cave already. Alright, what'd I miss? That one game that you left in the dust is what? I didn't leave it in the dust. I just didn't have time to work on it. But now I have time to work on it. Yeah, it's the racing game. Have marketplace items for the inspect. What are you talking about? In the inspector marketplace items. Oh, no idea what you're talking about. Will there be different kinds of finish lines? Like to choose between a flag, a line, or a zone. I don't know how a a line would work. I mean, I guess a line could work. Yeah, but they'd all have to share something in common just to make sure people don't get confused. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe. Yeah. If the need arises. Forest. For some reason they're inverted. Down here. 3, 4, 5. Tundra. No. Snow. No. 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 Very nice. How long does this take you to make so far? What day is it? So I guess. Well, I had a one stream on it before where I started. That was a 2 or 3 hour stream. So 2 or 3 hours plus Sunday, probably like half a Sunday and then Monday, and then today. So a few days, 3 days probably I'd say total. Not bad, not bad. I need to set the colors as well. Oh, I didn't save the cave color. What am I looking at in Discord? What am I looking at? Oh yeah, that's what you're talking about. Yes, that's just a list of objects of There's parallax. When you put that, on a thing, system.serializable, it makes it, visible in the inspector. So parallax background. Each of these is a parallax background, and inside of there you got the name, icon, the colors, and then within there you've got another layer of equally, this as well, which means they show up. So you've got a list of these things, and then in each one of those you've got the sprite, the segments, the spacing, all that info, stuff like that. You can even make it foreground if you want. Not that I have any foregrounds, but yeah. Level editor. Let's go to. This is still good. Yep. Let's go like this. What is this red? Oh, that's just the level I built. So this one. Oh, god damn it. Floor and ceiling. Cool. We'll make this like a dark gray blue. That. For the cave. For the forest, we have really nice green. Actually, it's more like jungle almost. Wait, this just double check this works. What? Oh, what's that? What's that? Why does that just not line up? Like, because of me or because of? Yeah, why is that offset like that? Oh, it's just a terrible background. Oh no, it's just off. Why? Okay. Why are you like that? Why is this? Why are they different? God damn it. Are they all different? Yep, they're all different. Why are they different? I thought they'd all be the same because they're from the same pack. Ugh. Great. Oh, seems like copying didn't really help me at the end. 1.6543215. Gotta be perfect. It's gotta be perfect. 3, 5. Perfect, I tell you. That's close enough. Oh, it's not going to save the colors, is it? Fuck. Copy. Actually, while we're at it, might as well get the right color down. Ugh. So can be maybe a bluey green. It's more like jungle in it. Cool. And then we paste that. Copy the whole thing. Paste the whole thing. And then back this in instead. Now it's starting to make me think the tundra is also going to be wrong. How has it been a dev stream? And we haven't had a deep convo yet. Feel free to put a conversation forward. You know? But then again, that'll just end up distracting me. I got work to do. I'm a busy man. It's almost come for 3 hours now. I'll probably end at 3 hours. I tried in the items, inside items. It just never worked. Yeah, no, that should help out. There you go, bud. There you go. Are you gonna go with this pack the whole way, or is it like for beta? Well, honestly, I fucking love the style. Where is it? Objects? Yeah. Like, look at this. These all just have like such a nice look to them. Thick, cartoon, sort of bold outline. You know, I could make this like pretty atmospheric with some post-processing and some fog effects and stuff like. And it'll look really nice. It'll look Hollow Knight-esque. You know, that's what I like about it. Look at that. It's just simple. It's clean, but like, yeah, I just like it. I just like it. But the only issue is I don't think there's any more of it. So this is all I have. I'm either going to have to find someone that can replicate this art style or have a browse and see if he's done more packs. I don't think he has. Add the balls that the bite roll in his power up faster with slippery. Could do. That could be a good modifier. Fuck, I was meant to do modifiers today. I haven't done any and it's been almost 3 hours. God damn. Not to the legendary shake game. Yeah, well, that wouldn't be too hard, maybe. And it'd be pretty fun. I've already got a slippery modifier, but I mean, that's like slippery and speed combined into one. Cave props. But like, some of these rocks just look so cool. Beautiful. I'm going to be adding all of these. Actually, I can just do that now. No, I haven't. Let's just get rid of all the test ones. Look at this. I made a... wait, it wasn't NPCs. Oh, they got little NPCs. I could just use these as well. What's the other one look like? Different color. What do you guys think? Potential for the character. I could just do all of it because it's the same art style. I kind of want the faces to be the Steam profile picture, so I might have to like cut this out. I don't know. Blacksmith. They are pretty cute. It's like Spelunky. Oh yeah, same style. But Spelunky's a bit too gritty for me. Not that kind of gritty. Oh, there's enemies as well. Ooh. That guy's so much stuff. But anyway, objects. Select everything. This down to this. Here we are. Create obstacles. There you go. We got all of them. They should all have their colliders applied. Yep. Nice. Yeah. And we drag this into obstacles. These are all just decor, like, they could be background, they could be obstacles. Map maker. Yeah, so now we should have shitloads. Art style is kind of different. It's You tell me you're using scenes this time. Why would I need scenes? Scenes just complicates things. Keep them all one. Keep them all one scene. Unless there's like a reason to split them up. But there never usually is. They have no collisions or are decorative, then you can have the same object just... Oh yeah, no, I tried that before, but people got confused with it. So I ended up splitting them all up. Yeah, people didn't like it. Feedback was not great. Here we are. Oh, look at that. So okay, I need to make a better level editor, but look at that. Press one button, and all this shit's done. Look, let's just add implant. Your fence. Fence too far forward. Fence go back. What else do we want? We want vines hanging from ceiling. I need to add like the ability to change the scale and stuff, but let's go back. Look how easy this is to like make something so pretty. Changed parallax to the jungle. That's I think more appropriate. Look how sick it is. I love this art style. Little chicken coop. I also need a way to like flip things as well. You can rotate as well. That's in there, but not flipping at the moment. Oh, bushes. Put those behind everywhere. Dude, look how easy that is. If I could do that in 2 seconds, oh, imagine what you guys can do. Yeah. These are all collidable though, so you might need to like set these to no collision, so you're not running into them. I'll leave the boxes collidable. Save. Go home. Or S. Fuck, was this 1 or 2? I think it was 2. Oh shit. Stop being flipped. Oh, look at that. Well, I need to make them so they're not, you know. But you can collide with this one. Collide with the box. Yeah, I need to make it so they're not faded. Hey. I mean, you're not going to see anything because it's not in the most recent build. You'll probably see the old one. Actually, no, you won't even see the old one. You just probably see those boxes up there. Send me the new build ASAP, and we'll be playing in some epic maps. Well, I got some work to do first. Hey, at least you can connect Daredevil. Ain't that good? That good. Where did all this art come from? Just a pack I bought for 15 quid. But honestly, I couldn't find anything like it, so I was happy to pay the money. I was happy. Anyway. There's something else. Oh, yeah, right. Background. Yeah, I didn't set the snowy one. God damn it. It's mad nice. And Queen, if you think you can replicate the art style, do you think you could do you think you can make something like this? You know? Or like this? Or like this? Do you think that's within your budget? Because if so, consider yourself hired. That you can't. Damn it. Well, I need to find someone that can. Because yeah, like it looks simple, doesn't it? But it's definitely not. Not an easy thing to make. Also, Oh, I need to sort out the filtering here. That goes. Oh, now it goes weird. Interesting. But yeah, where was I? Here. This the white's a bit blinding. You lot can go back to icy. Yeah, about there will do. Paste, paste, and honestly, we can use one of these for the preview. That one. That one. And that one. There you go. Very nice. Cool. Cool. A few other art people in the server, Finn. True, there's Stardust. She does art. Who else does art? By doing backgrounds, they may be easier to replicate. Eh? UI sprites. Okay, yeah, of course the UI needs some work. Jesus. Just trying to get the bare functionality first. Gotta get your priorities straight. And then focus on the functionality and then the artwork later. But I mean, this actually has, I think this has UI stuff, right? Yeah, simple UI pack here. And has the Photoshop files as well. I think might have the individual. Oh, here, buttons. Look at all these. Look at all these. They're all in the same art style as well. And they're all UI. Got all the icons and everything. It's going to be so easy now that I have this. But the only issue is I am limited to this. You know, no room for expansion. Much nicer. Yeah, look, we got exclamation. Oh, so much stuff. Worth the 15 quid. I love that little skill. Yeah, me too. Me too, bud. Alright, so what was it? Oh, yeah, right. So, level. When the game starts, it loads the game, right? It loads the game. No. Why the fuck does it load the game? On the hook. Oh, it's in network sync. Networks sync. So here. Level does it. Okay, here. So we need to make this. Bool is playing. This will be, you know, versus is testing. Obstacle. Edit. Here. Private bool is playing. It's true by default. And with this, what is opacity? Here. So if is playing. Actually, wait, we don't even need to touch this at all. Oh no, yeah, we do. If is true. No, wait, false. Like that. Cool. Because otherwise, we just let it be. Here. Level editor is playing as false. Need to set. Oh wait, we haven't set a thing for it. Public void set is or set playing state is playing equals state. Set playing to is playing. We also need to do this when we place stuff as well. Set playing stat. Oh shit. Okay. Like that. Wait. Don't even need that. Because it'll go in the place obstacle part. That's going to throw up an error somewhere. Here in level editor. False. Shut up. Stream not ending. Stream not ending, even though it probably should. How did that start playing at the 3-hour mark? It's like it already knows. It already knows. God damn it. Fucking hell. I'll get this working then. I probably should wrap up anyway. Alright. When the song ends, then I'll end stream. Who's live? Oh, Glowy's live. Still live. Very nice. Cool. Alright. Level editor. Edit. Alright, it's invisible now. We gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. It's visible. There you go. Cool. That'll do. Well, I think that'll do me. It's the 3-hour mark. And I'm dying. I'm dying. But yeah, go say hi to Glowy. Fucking love Glowy. She the best. Looks like she's playing that new game, Only Up, which I don't know much about it, but I mean it looks like a tech demo. But anyway, yeah. I'll see you boys on Thursday. I'll actually work on something for Thursday. Thank you for coming along. Thank you for staying. Thank you for chilling. And yeah, well, we'll see. We'll see. I think I'm gonna make a mini game for Thursday. I think that'll be the plan. But anyway, see you boys later. You know what to do. Spam raid. Spam raid. You know what to do. But anyway, thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye, Havana. Goodbye, Dr. Leaf. Goodbye, Scara. Goodbye, Twigster. Goodbye, everyone. And yeah, say hi to her from me. So until then, yeah, take care. Take it easy. Bye-bye. Mwah. Mwah.